Hi, this is Elizabeth with Southern Embellishment, and I'm here today to show you a new tome that I've made, and I have fallen in love with it. I have been wanting to make this size journal, which is the Traveler's Notebook size, I believe it's 4 by 8 3/4. And I took Nick the Booksmith's course on this, and of course, as all of her classes that I've taken, I'm so appreciative that she's sharing with us her expertise. And I wanted to make this for quite a while, but I don't know about you, but I don't have like days and hours to spend in my studio. I wish I did because I love it. It's like so fun, but there is other things in life that we have to do, even if we'd rather be in our studio. But I finally got one of these made, and I have fallen in love with it, and but I will part with it, I believe I'm trying to. So let me get into it. Let me show you what we have. I used on the front, I used the Tim Holtz, it's memoranda, I believe, and paper, and I have this nameplate, and it's called The Facts. It's kind of a detective themed journal, and just a number I made up. And then down here in the corner, I did a little textile button, and then I found these little itty bitty tags at Hobby Lobby, and I thought that is perfect for this journal. And I put the same number down there, so it's like a case file. And then, of course, this little Tim Holtz metal piece that says found. So this theme of this book is like a detective theme. And so I just love it. I've had so much fun putting it together. On the spine, if you've watched any of my videos at all, you know I love the wax canvas. And it's just so simple to work with. It glues well, it sews well, it looks great, it looks vintagey. And so I put this on the spine of this book, and it just looks so nice. And if you haven't checked out Nick's lessons, her classes, go to nickthebooksmithteachable.com. It is worth every penny, because it takes your journal making to a whole new level. Gives you so many neat ideas, inspiration, and techniques. So thank you, Nick, for all of your classes. And on the inside, I'll give you kind of a sideways view. These are those little tags that I found at Hobby Lobby. They're so little, ladies. They're just so little. I love them. I love them. I love them. And so what I did with the tags, and let me show you up close here. See how little they are? And I hope the lighting, there we go, maybe that'll help. It's rainy here today. It's storming. In fact, you'll probably hear thunder and lightning. It's been so bad. Our internet has been knocked off like 2 or 3 times this week. It's just been crazy. But anyway, these little tags were from Hobby Lobby, and originally the strings on them were probably about this long. And so when I put them on here, I put them like pretty much every page. And when I did that, the strings were like very overwhelming. And so I cut the string shorter, and then I took the string off of every other tab. I took the string out, and that way it left some of this luscious little twine on here. Hold on, I'm going to turn my computer off. Get my computer shut down before the storm takes it out. So anyway, thank you for your patience. So it made just enough on the edges that it looks really nice now, and I like it. But I hope you can go to Hobby Lobby and get you some of those little tags. They're so adorable. I love them. So let's get on the inside of this, since I'm already like 5 minutes into this video. This is the hardback board, and so let's get into this. On the inside, again, this is a detective theme, and on the inside I've used Tim Holtz's little, oh my goodness, little like file folder, file thing. I made one of those and put in here. And then I have different pictures. Like these would be like persons of interest. And I thought that was neat. The little tabs you'll see on each of these signatures are from Nick the Booksmith's download for, I believe it was for this journal class. And she has some downloads in there, which is really nice. And so that's from that. Did a lot of sewing in this journal. I love to sew paper. Go figure, you know. I've sewn clothing. I sew all my comforters, my quilts, my, you know, curtains, just all kinds of stuff. I always made clothes for my girls, but never thought I would be sewing paper, but I love it. I absolutely love it. So I have assorted papers in here, and I do have, there's a lot of real estate on here to journal, and, you know, your own mystery, your own detective story, but there's fun tuck spots and you know, pockets. So in here we have little flashcards. I just picked out flashcards that I thought would be neat for like clues or things like that. Then at Victoria, this is just a plain tag, the tea-dyed tag. Everything is tea-dyed or coffee-dyed, of course. And then at Victoria, V-E-C-T-O-R-A Designs, I found this detective packet. It's Sherlock Holmes. It's detective. It's really cool. I mean, and they have like a whole pack, digital downloads of different ephemera and things. And I fell in love with it. And so I thought it's perfect for this journal. And so I put that in there. And it has like evidence property tags. And let me see if I can get that closer. Yeah. Crimeville Police Department. And then it has different items, like from Sherlock Holmes. It has SH for Sherlock Holmes. And it has like the mustache, which is its use is as a clever disguise to fool less observant people. So a lot of fun ephemera throughout here. This again is an evidence property bag. And it's a little tag there. And journaling, of course, on the back. And that's all on tea-dyed paper. And here is from a little vellum piece sewn in, just a little journaling area. I don't want to take too long flipping through here, but there's just some cool things. This is one of the scrap pieces, but it's got letters and numbers and investigation on it. This is another evidence property tag. And then here is a clue chart, another journaling spot, but all this came from the package from digital download package from Victoria Designs. I will link that below. I thought that was so cool. There's some more cool stuff in here. Evidence tag, and this is Sherlock's home inventory. This handcuffs, which is to be used for the bad guys and prevent them from further mischief. Here's the second signature. By the way, this has got 4 signatures in it. And it's just, there is a little pocket here too. Just a little pocket there. A bigger pocket here. And this is Sherlock Holmes's pipe, which helps to quay up thoughts about a case. And then I put this little alphabet flashcard in it, which is door. Let's put it down there. Just little, again, little things that, you know, could be evidence, ladies, could be evidence. Evidence tag, here's microscope for analytical chemistry, toxicology, examination, and poison determination. You need a microscope if you're a detective. It's got a magical typewriter, pocket watch, and all of them have definitions of what they're used for. And then here's a little pocket. Automatic magnifying glass. It automatically points itself to interesting, suspicious details. And all of them, of course, on the back are journaling spaces. Here's another evidence tag. This is Sherlock Holmes's inventory. These are, I made them bigger for, well, actually, this is the size they come. I made them smaller for the little ones. But it's journaling places there on the back of that. I thought this book was so fun to make. I love this right here. This comes with a digital pack, and it's a suspect profile. And it's got their identification there, and it's got the their alibi at the bottom. And then I took Tim Holtz's found relatives and put pictures of people of interest in there as suspects. Here's the third signature. Got a little pocket here, and I put a key. More, this is the detective's briefcase. Holds all of the detective's equipments and files. His violin, which is used to relax the mind and get a different perspective. And then again, a piece of evidence and tag to journal on there. I was also asked, I posted a picture of, not a flip through and all that, but about this paper, because as you can see, it's got the music on it. I did not make this myself. I believe it was Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby, and this was the last couple pieces, so I don't have that paper tablet to show you, but it is gorgeous paper. But I believe it was the Paper Studio. Here's a little tuck spot sewn on, and this is a fingerprint chart. Isn't that awesome? So, and of course, again, lots of journaling space on the back. Lots of fun. Let your imagination go, ladies, on this one. This is a top secret. Now, this was originally like a file, and I folded it to fit in this size of journal. It would have fit in a regular size journal, but for this one, I needed to fold it more. But it says top secret. It's got private investigation bureau, magnifying glass with fingerprints. It's just a lot of fun. So that's in that pocket there. And another evidence tag, another clues chart in this pocket. Some sari silk sewn on there, a few little textile interest there. Here's another suspect profile. And then here is some little tiny journaling places. Here's the ultimate disguise wig. Let's see if it'll show it there. Completely transforms the detective in someone, makes them completely different. And then here's little evidence labels. These are, they call them vial covers, like, you know, little evidence that's in the lab. But they would be for a nice little secret to journal. Here's the fourth and last signature. And I left this one blank to write in what it is for. Another little flashcard for with jars on it. And then this is the Private Investigation Bureau classified case file number, the detective that's on the case. Is that going to be you? And some more of these. His pocket watch, which is meticulously keeps track of time when investigating. Another fingerprint chart in this little tuck that's sewn in there. Another plain tag, and this is Fabulous Fingerprint ink. Just a little journaling spot in the middle. Some more of the tags and little evidence vial pieces. And this is, oh, I'm sorry. That was not, this had, oh, I'm sorry, ladies. Let me look. Let me recount here. 1, 2, 3. I have 5. I am doing so good today. Need to go back to school, don't I? I have 5 signatures in here. So here's the 5th signature. And I put a heart flashcard in there because they may have been shot through the heart. Who knows? Here's another suspect profile. This time a lady. Come on, how could a lady be a suspect? Get real, Sherlock Holmes. Here's another little journaling place. We're about to the end. Thank you so much for taking a look and stopping by. I appreciate it. Here's some more of that, another little vellum pocket. Here's another one of the larger pieces so you can use as a journaling place. I love having little places to journal and tuck it away. Some of my more secretive thoughts. There's nothing secret about my life, I promise you. And then this is the back. And there we go. I had so much fun putting this together. Again, thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Thank you, Nick, for your wonderful classes. Again, take a look at her classes at teachable.com. Hope you like this. Please feel free to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. I try my best to respond somehow to each comment. And you have a great day. Make something beautiful. Bye-bye.